The office was once a promise, a steady chair, a fixed title, a future that felt secure as long as the lights stayed on and the badge still worked. Today, that promise is cracking quietly. Not with explosions, not with headlines loud enough to stop the day, but with algorithms learning faster than humans ever could. Artificial intelligence is not marching toward the workplace, it is already seated inside it, watching, learning, improving. And the most shocking truth is this: many professions we trust, train for, and build identities around may not survive the next 10 years. For decades, routine office roles were considered safe, respectable, and irreplaceable. Data entry clerks, administrative assistants, and back-office operators formed the invisible backbone of corporations. Now, AI systems can process millions of records in seconds without fatigue, errors, or salary negotiations. Tasks that once demanded teams of people are being absorbed by silent software that never sleeps. The threat isn't that AI works faster, it's that it works endlessly, and businesses are noticing. Customer service was once powered by human patience and empathy, but today, conversational AI is rewriting that equation. Virtual agents can answer thousands of calls at once, speak multiple languages instantly, and maintain perfect composure no matter how angry the customer becomes. As these systems learn emotional cues and human tone, entire call centers face a future where "please hold" becomes a memory, and human agents become optional. The world of accounting and bookkeeping, long considered a stable and intellectual profession, is also under quiet siege. AI can now track expenses, prepare financial statements, detect fraud, and even predict future risks with stunning accuracy. What once took weeks of manual review now takes minutes. As automation handles compliance and reporting, the number of entry-level accountants needed each year continues to shrink, closing doors before graduates even reach them. Even the legal field, often seen as untouchable due to its complexity, is feeling the pressure. AI tools already analyze contracts, search legal precedents, and flag risks faster than junior lawyers ever could. Document review, once a rite of passage for young attorneys, is being automated at scale. While top strategists may remain, thousands of support roles within law firms may quietly disappear, leaving a thinner, sharper, but far less human profession behind. Journalism and content creation are facing a transformation that few predicted so soon. AI can now generate reports, summaries, financial news, and even sports articles in real time. It doesn't need interviews, deadlines, or coffee to stay awake. While investigative journalism still demands human courage and intuition, routine news writing and copy production are increasingly handled by machines that never miss a beat. The transportation sector stands on the edge of a revolution that could reshape millions of lives. Self-driving technology is advancing relentlessly, and within a decade, truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel may see their livelihoods threatened. When vehicles no longer need rest, wages, or human error, the economics become brutal. For many, the road that once meant freedom may lead to uncertainty. Retail workers are already living this future. Self-checkout systems, smart inventory management, and AI-powered recommendation engines are reducing the need for sales staff on shop floors. Stores are becoming quieter, more automated, and less human. The smile that once closed a sale is being replaced by a screen that knows your preferences better than you do. Manufacturing has long been the testing ground for automation, but AI-driven robotics are pushing it further than ever. Machines now learn from mistakes, adapt to new tasks, and collaborate without human instruction. Jobs that once required years of skill training are being absorbed by systems that upgrade themselves overnight. The factory of the future may be brighter, faster, and nearly empty. Even healthcare, a field built on human care, is not immune. AI systems can already read X-rays, detect diseases, and predict patient outcomes with remarkable precision. While doctors and nurses will remain essential, many diagnostic and support roles may shrink as machines handle analysis faster and more accurately. The white coat may stay, but the teams behind it may grow smaller. Education, too, is being reshaped. AI tutors can personalize lessons, track student progress, and adapt teaching styles instantly. While teachers will always matter, traditional teaching models may not survive unchanged. The classroom of the future may rely more on intelligent systems than chalkboards, forcing educators to redefine their value beyond information delivery. The most dangerous illusion is believing that only low-skill jobs are at risk. AI does not respect titles, degrees, or years of experience. It replaces tasks, not people, and many high-status professions are built on tasks that can now be automated. The real shock is not which jobs will disappear, but how.
This is not a story of fear, it is a warning wrapped in opportunity. As AI replaces roles, it also creates new demands for creativity, ethics, leadership, and human judgment. The future belongs not to those who cling to old titles, but to those who evolve with intelligence, adaptability, and courage. From office to obsolete is not a sentence, it is a choice. Those who learn, pivot, and embrace lifelong growth will shape the next era of work. Those who ignore the shift may wake up one day to find that the profession they trusted has already moved on, without them. As predictive intelligence tightens its grip, the concept of privacy is being quietly redefined. Every click, pause, heartbeat, and location feed systems designed to understand us better than we understand ourselves. Life becomes a stream of data, and identity turns into a pattern to be analyzed. The real cost is not visibility, but vulnerability. When prediction knows our weaknesses before we voice them, the line between assistance and exploitation becomes dangerously thin. Human relationships are also entering unfamiliar territory. AI now predicts compatibility, emotional needs, and even conflict patterns between people. While this may reduce misunderstandings, it also risks sterilizing the beautiful chaos of human connection. Love, friendship, and trust were never meant to be optimized by formulas. When emotions are forecast instead of felt, relationships may become efficient, yet hollow, structured, yet less alive. In creativity, prediction challenges the soul of originality. AI can now anticipate trends, generate art, write stories, and compose music based on what has worked before. The result is impressive, but predictive creativity leans heavily on the past. True human innovation often arises from mistakes, rebellion, and irrational leaps. If prediction dominates creation, the future risks becoming a polished repetition of yesterday rather than a bold discovery of tomorrow. The psychological impact of constant prediction cannot be ignored. When people are told what they are likely to become, they may unconsciously surrender effort. Motivation weakens when outcomes feel pre-written. The human mind thrives on uncertainty, struggle, and the belief that effort matters. A predicted life can feel smaller than a chosen one, even if the prediction is favorable. Workplace culture will also undergo a deep transformation. AI systems that predict performance, burnout, and loyalty will influence promotions, layoffs, and leadership decisions. Transparency may increase, but so may pressure. Employees could feel permanently evaluated by invisible systems, measured not only by actions but by potential. Trust between humans may be replaced by trust in dashboards, altering how confidence and merit are understood. At a global level, predictive AI will reshape inequality. Nations and organizations with access to powerful prediction tools will move faster, adapt quicker, and control resources more efficiently. Those without access may fall further behind, not due to lack of talent, but lack of foresight. Prediction becomes a form of capital, deepening divides unless shared responsibly and governed wisely. In the end, the defining battle of this era will not be between humans and machines, but between awareness and complacency. AI will continue to predict, calculate, and optimize, but it cannot dream, forgive, or choose meaning. The future remains unwritten not because machines are weak, but because humans still possess the power to act beyond prediction. In embracing AI, humanity must also protect uncertainty, for within it lives freedom, courage, and the possibility of